So this is for uh, finding resources using the Audio Project Manager version 3.3 and 3.31. And this time we'll be covering the AI resources and the online resources in these last two tabs, Find Other and Create AI. So if I click over to the Find Other, this first option allows me to find resources that are part of the Bible Project. So these would be larger level resources. For example, I'll pick a language that I'm interested, that my team can understand, maybe French. And when I do that, it opens the the browser, and it finds the page on the Bible Project site that has the French resources. And you'll notice that uh, there's not a ton of resources, but there are some. And you can explore or download the ones that are there by clicking this button. Now you get a list of all the resources that are there, and whether or not there's a video, and whether or not, and you can download this video if you want and include it in your project, although some of these are pretty big, so I don't necessarily recommend including them, but they can be used online or as part of the project if you choose. So the idea would be to orient the translation team to the whole book. It'll provide a summary of the book. And similarly, this is an online resource for translation notes, for the UBS resource, for Logos resources, and for the Unfolding Word resources. So those are what's available on the other tab. On the Create AI tab, the idea is, again, to use the Aquifer resources, but this time we can now look into the Aquifer resources, and we have various types of so one type of AI resource might be to create an oral version of the passage. We can also summarize the passage. We can look at the meaning of the passage. We can create a video for the passage or an image. This video and image are more likely if you're having a key term that you're trying to explain and you would like an image of that key term or a video of a particular action being performed, you could do that. The script is the idea is write a drama script for the team to act out as a part of learning the passage. And so these are the kind of tools that you can do with AI, either for the passage, or you could do it for the section, or the whole chapter, or the book, or the movement. And in this case, here it says, provide me an oral translation of Luke 1, 5-7. So FaithBridge is going to look through resources, and it'll be most helpful for finding things about key terms and things like that would already be in the Aquifer. OBT Helper uses ChatGPT, so it can kind of create resources, but sometimes they aren't correct, and so they would need to be vetted. It allows you 5 free queries for the day, and if you want more than that, you have to pay $20 a month to use this feature. And you could also use a program like WhatsApp. The WhatsApp has the Meta AI feature. So this Meta AI feature will allow you to take the question, for example, that's here and pop it into your Meta AI and get an answer back. The AI will basically try to draft that oral translation for you. You can do this either on the computer or on your phone, and then if you choose to, you can then take that result and put it into this convert text to audio, which would then convert the text result of that to an audio, or you could just read it into the recorder for the passage. Those are some of the ways that you can use the AI. The recorder, we've added a recorder now as a way of creating a resource. we've added a link so that you can put a link to a resource on the internet, or you can create a text resource by typing it in here. And these other two, the linking to shared things and the uploads, were what we used to have before. So those are the new features with 3.3. Thank you.